Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. This is your twin flame and soulmate reading for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest which is not going to resonate, so you can leave it. Okay, so take whatever is resonating. That is what I am saying right now. Okay, so because this is the general collective energy and the reading for Aquarius, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your twin flame soulmate reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the important messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading which I need to deliver. Happy. So yeah, you are going to be very happy Aquarius. Okay, time to go. Let me see more. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck. What I need to see: orphaned. 2 more cards. Never ending story. No, I'm not going to take it. Okay. 1 more card for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Bottom of the deck, I'm having blessed. You are the blessed one, fork in the road. You have to make a decision here. Some of you are at the crossroads and you have to make a decision here, Aquarius. Okay, so let's start your reading here. Deep knowing. So you are right now, many of you are you are very, happy. You know that this is a time to go. Okay, this is a time to go. Let me read it out from this book, because this is the endings, this is the walking away. Okay, this is something that is nothing else to learn or experience. That is why this is the time where you have to let go, and this is a time to walk away from those which don't serve your highest good. And there is orphaned, because you are, there is something which is ending in your life. There is some kind of, completion here which is happening, and because of that you are walking away from something. Because of that you are feeling sense of loss. Okay, and you are recognizing that you don't fit in, that you don't belong to it. Okay, and you are thinking that this is a never ending story here. But don't worry at all. In your deep knowing, you know that you are having a win here, Aquarius. Okay, there is some incomplete lesson which you have to learn. There's a lot of owls intuitiveness which I can see here. Okay, don't be upset about whatever is happening here, whatever ending is happening in your life, whatever you are walking away from, that person or a situation or a relationship. Do not worry at all. Don't think that this is a never ending story. You have wings, you can fly. Use your wings to fly, Aquarius. Because in your deep knowing, you know that once you leave this person or this situation or this relationship, whatever it is ending here, you are going to be very happy here. Okay, very happy in your deep knowing. You know that. You have to make a decision. That's why. Wow, see, spiritual union. So maybe you have to, walk away from something which don't serve your highest good. Do not worry at all. Okay, don't think that this is a never ending story. Don't think like that, because you have wings, okay? You can fly. Learn the lesson and move in a forward direction. And use your intuition, because your intuition is telling you that once you walk away from this person or this relationship or this situation, you will be very happy, okay? Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Yeah, you need to work on your heart chakra, and many of you have to open up your heart chakra. Okay, you have to do your healing on your heart chakra. There is a balance here, okay? So keep your balance. Balance is coming for you, and make your life on a balanced way, okay? Balance yourself, Aquarius. Trumpet success. You know the truth here, never ending story. You know the truth that it does not serve your highest good. That's why you are walking away from this person, okay? You have the clarity, you have that deep knowing here. You have that deep knowing, you have that clarity. Let's see. Two more. You have to do your heart healing here. Give me two more cards. Rejoice in celebration here. See, bottom of the deck I'm having moving on, emotional loss here. Because of that emotional loss, you're feeling like you are an orphanage here, orphaned, but you are moving on. This is the time to go here. Move on towards light, Aquarius. You need to move towards light, okay? Move towards light. Light is calling you. Okay. Happy. Give me one more card. Awareness. See, you're getting more aware than before. That's why you are happy here. Awareness is here. Beautiful. This is a magician card here. This is, you are using your intuitive powers, and in your, because you are getting more intuitive than before here. Can you see? I told you lot of owls I can see in this reading. You are getting more intuitive than before. Okay, so you getting more aware than before here. Beautiful. Let me add messages from the true love reading. Do not worry at all, Aquarius, okay? Do not worry. Whatever emotional loss you are going through, you're becoming more mature than before. This is a time where you need to know your self-worth, okay? In your deep knowing, you know that you will be happy once you walk away from this kind of situation, okay? You have that clarity in your mind. You're becoming more aware than before. You need to create a balance in your life. You have to heal your heart chakra. You have to do your opening of your heart chakra here. Let me see, what are the messages? Sexuality, the Rainbow Reviver, commitment. Two more messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Okay. See, I told you why you will be very happy, okay? See, happy. Once you walk away from those things which don't serve your highest good, Aquarius, once you start working on your life purpose here, because many of you are started working on your life purpose, and if you have not started on your life purpose, you have to work on your life purpose as soon as possible here. Commitment is here, okay? I told you many of you are going to get your commitment in your main reading too, in your general energy check too. So commitment, you are going to receive some kind of commitment, okay? And you both are the soulmates here. Right now the problem is that you are the divine feminine, Aquarius, you are the divine feminine, and they are the distorted masculine. That means they are unawakened divine masculine. They have to come towards your level, okay? You have become the divine feminine and they are the one who have to, come towards your level basically. Wow, beautiful. Commitment is coming towards you here. Commitment is here because you are working on yourself here. Can you see? You're working on yourself, you're healing, you're doing your inner work, and you are enjoying yourself here. The rainbow reviver is here. You're working on yourself, yeah? You are working on your healing. Abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Do not worry at all. Okay, let's add some messages from the divine energy oracle deck. What are the messages? 1111, and I just saw commitment and the soulmates. You are going to get your commitment, Aquarius. Here it is. Start working on your life purpose. Commitment and the soulmates are here. See again the messages here. Same. Embrace your power, Aquarius. Embrace your powers. Grieve your losses. Face your shadow. Rejuvenate yourself. Okay? Grieve your losses. Face your shadows. Rejuvenate and rest and rejuvenate yourself. Embrace your power. Embrace your powers, okay? You are very powerful. Grieve your losses, face your shadow, and you need to rest and rejuvenate and embrace your power. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Yeah, maybe that was the codependent relationship here. Narcissist and codependent relationship. Maybe you are in a relationship where you are dealing with some kind of codependency or narcissist relationship. That's why this is happening. Okay, so let go anything on which you have to let go. You're walking away. That's good. What are the messages? Focus on your soul mission. Focus on your life purpose. Very clear cut message is here. See, focus on your soul mission, Aquarius. Focus on your life purpose. Focus on your soul mission. That's the message I'm getting here very clearly. Past life power issues, fear and conflict stem from the past. Okay, so from the past life power issues, because of that this is happening here. Then there is relax and let go. Allow stillness to help you out. Okay, relax and let go anything on which don't serve your highest good here. You both have spent past lives together. You have already lived many past lives together here. Okay, this is someone from you with whom you have many past lives together. The soulmate which is coming for you. Okay, so yes, let go anything which don't serve your highest good, which I am getting the message again and again. Death and rebirth. The death of yesterday is a birth of today. Okay, so death and rebirth, something is ending so that some new beginning can happen, and new beginning is very beautiful, Aquarius. Can you see how beautiful it is coming? Commitment is coming for you, soulmate is coming for you, and you will be very happy. Okay, can you see? Commitment is coming for you. There is synchronicities. Pay attention as your angels are trying to communicate. Maybe you are getting some number synchronicities or something like that. So that's happening because 1444 was the recording reading time. That is happening because the angels are trying to communicate to you. So yes, there is some kind of number synchronicities. There are some synchronicities which is happening for you. So pay attention to the synchronicities, because angel, the divine, is trying to communicate to you. There is self-love, acne of hearts. The self-love is indicated. Love yourself first, Aquarius. Then only you can love anyone else. So you need to love yourself first. So this is the message which I am getting for you. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the angels. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Twin flame reading, twin flame and soulmate reading. Give me the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius soulmate twin flame reading. Be assertive and wait. See, I told you. Heal yourself. Right now you have to wait and be assertive. Keep going and moving in a forward direction. Do not stop at all. Okay. There is something which is coming. There is something better which is coming for you. I told you there is something which is better coming for you in the near future. Okay. In the near future, there is something better which is coming for you. And what better is coming for you? You will be very happy after this. 1616 was the recording reading time. Okay. You will be very happy. A year from now. Okay. A year from now is here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from this deck. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame reading? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Wow, the same message I got in the collective divine masculine part. I love you. Your counterpart is trying to reach you. Okay, your counterpart is trying to reach you. Any other message which I need to deliver? Fears of coming together, resolve doubt to open to love. See, the same message I'm getting here. So you need to resolve doubts, okay, because here resolve doubts to open to love is here. Okay, and your counterpart is trying to reach you. Beautiful. That was in the collective energy of the divine masculine, the divine feminine. There was the same message which I got for them. So these are the messages. Thank you. But beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. This is the time to let go your anything in your life which don't serve your highest good. Let go them. Okay, let go, because beautiful things are coming for you. Okay, beautiful things are coming for you, and you will be more happy once they will come in your life. Okay, let's see more. What are the messages from your twin flame, your divine masculine? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Give me the messages. Give me the 5 cards. 5 messages from twin flame for twin flame soulmate reading. You are very forgiving. Okay, so you are very forgiving. You are my best friend. You treat me like your princess. You make me complete. You will forever be my always. And you give me enough space. So these are the messages from your divine counterpart, your twin flame or your soulmate. Let's add one message See, transformation is going on, Aquarius. Okay, you are getting transformed. Transformation is going on. So here is the message. You use the power of love to move through illusion and shift into awareness. Okay, so that's the message which I got from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's see what are the messages from the surrender, power of surrender. Give me one message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. I got 2. Surrender to joy. A key to positive change in your life is to let joy in and savor it. Indulge in random acts of smiling during both the hard and easy time. Keep surrendering to more joy. I know the time is right now that you have felt something that there is some emotional loss and whatever is happening right now, but still you have to keep the smile, let go anything and surrender to the joy is the message here. Surrender defensiveness. Defensiveness is a sign of weakness. To communicate in a more empowered way, stay centered and hear someone out. Then offer a clear, non-defensive response. So surrender defensiveness is a message here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add some message from the soul journey, the soul lesson. What is the soul lesson which Aquarius needs to learn? Okay, Envy. I am the same as everybody but with different challenges. Okay, so that's the soul lesson which you need to learn here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from angels and ancestors. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame and soulmate reading? What are the messages? One more. Let go of the need to be right, peacemaker. Okay, let go of the need to be right. Wait for an important information, oracle. This was the same message which I got for you in your general reading, okay, which I already posted. You can have a look on that too, Aquarius. Wait for an important information. There is an important information which is coming for you. Then there is trader. Exchange energy to create abundance. 2222 was the recording reading time. Exchange energy to create abundance. So thank you so much, angels and ancestors, for giving the beautiful messages. Wow, divine timing. There is a divine timing which is coming here. Then there is transformation again. Transformation is happening for you, Aquarius. Okay, transformation is here. Transformation is taking place. Raise your vibration. You need to raise your vibration. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from this deck for Aquarius twin flame journey. Twin flame and soulmate reading. No. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading which I need to deliver? I got the same message again. Okay, so maybe there is some kind of judgment through the court or justice you will get from the court. Maybe there is a jurisdiction, there is a court case or something like that, a judgment which is going to happen here. Courthouse. There is a new relationship which is happening for you. You have to take care of that. Concern and message of concern, both are here. Maybe there is a message of concern and message of concern. You both will receive some kind of message of concern. Okay. A message will come here. Okay. There will be a message which is coming for you. Someone is concerned here. Concern is here. 2424 was a recording reading time. After receiving this message, you will also feel concern. I do not know what it is. Okay, it fell out. I will pick it up later. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add the signs which you may be dealing with. Let's see what are the signs. Your twin flame and soulmate can be an November baby. They can be an August baby. They can be an Aquarius. Aquarius, you can be dealing with an Aquarius. Okay. They can be a February baby. They can be an Scorpio. They can have a fire and water element, okay, in the chart. They can born on April baby. They can be a water baby. Lot of water energy is here. June baby. They can be a September baby here. Any other signs? Okay. They can born on Sunday. They can be an earth and fire. They can be a Cancer here. Capricorn. Taurus. Libra. Wednesday and Thursday. They can born on Wednesday and Thursday. They can be a Virgo. And they can be a Gemini. Okay, so these are the signs, elements, birth date, birthday, which they were born. Okay, so this was your reading, Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking that something is left. What is left? Let's add some more messages from the tarot also. Let's see what are the messages tarot wants to give for Aquarius twin flame read. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Hermit, I am getting hermit mode again and again. Okay, this is the second time which I was getting that. Hermit. Okay, while shuffling also I was getting this. Okay, so either you are into a hermit mode. Okay, but let's see. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Some kind of communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. A lot of communication is coming towards you. Okay, there is 5 of Pentacles and there is 7 of Swords. So you are walking away from this deceptive manipulation, mind games, deceptive energy. Okay, you are leaving this person behind and now you are working on yourself here, 8 of Pentacles, because you are working so hard here on yourself. But there is someone around you who is gaining the strength, King of Swords, Ace of Cups, who is coming towards you. Okay, they coming towards you with an offer, who a cup of emotions. Okay, Ace of Cup is here, a cup which is full of emotions, and they are working a lot here. They're putting a lot of efforts to gain the strength to approach you here. Okay, this is someone who is King of Swords. Okay, and here I'm having Ace of Cups. So they are coming towards you to give you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotion. Okay, emotional fulfillment. So this is the message from the tarot deck. But you are walking away, you're leaving a energy which is deceptive, manipulative. Okay, so you're leaving that person or a situation or that energy behind, and that's good because that doesn't belong for you, Aquarius. So yeah, this was your twin flame and soulmate reading for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon.